Welcome to Grammar.Galore. This is Habibullah, an ESL instructor at TLA. Viewers, today our topic of discussion is interjections. One of the last parts of speeches and one of the independent terms in grammar. It doesn't have any relationship with other grammatical structures. It can be used at any point in statements. There are no limitations to its usage. Now, what are interjections, by the way? Interjections in English are those words which are used to show sudden surprise, feelings, or emotions in a sentence. Interjections have advanced the English grammar के चलमता अचानक हैरानियाँ खई, surprise खई, एहसासात खई, feelings, our emotions खई, जज्बात खई. They are used for all these humanistic features because human has these characteristics in themselves. Like a human being can surprise, a human being can have feelings and can have emotions. So expressing them requires mechanism in order to put it in written form. So for that, grammarians have formed a set of interjections, like such as we have ouch, hurrah, oh, wow, oh, etc. And there are many more. Each one of them has a separate purpose. They are used for separate purposes. Like, and one thing else that interjections always take the sign of exclamation. This is also called exclamatory sign of exclamation. Like this is an exclamation sign. So interjections always take these signs. For example, I say, hurrah, we won the game. So it's the sign of hurrah is used here as an interjection to show happiness, someone's pleasure regarding something like winning the game. And it ends with an exclamation mark. No, interjections to surely have an exclamation sign of the inshayinaha. Detonu the inshayinaha vayu. Uda hamesha interjections are used ki and surah interjections they have purposes, their usages. Ouch, that really hurts. So here ouch is an interjection that is used for pain, to show pain. So it also ends with an exclamation mark. Wow, that is a beautiful dress. So wow is an interjection which is used for surprise, a sudden surprise. So it is used, it also takes an exclamatory mark or sign of exclamation at the end. And here we show feelings about a beautiful dress. So that's all about the definitions and some examples of interjections. Okay, now we'll discuss purposes of interjections. So interjections are used for several purposes in English language. Like one of the purposes to express sadness or pity. Khafgan khudal, raham khudal, yes, khafgan khudal yokar bande action bande. For example, you say, alas, that was so unfortunate. Alas, that was so unfortunate. So here, alas is an interjection. It is used to show sadness or pity in this example about unfortunateness or unluckiness. Next, it can be used for to express realization or surprise. Like the magic show at the end was a total surprise. The magic show at the end was a total surprise. So here, is an interjection. It is used to show realization, express realization or surprise about the end of a program and about a total surprise, about the magic show. The end of the magic show, like at the end of the program, someone just arranged a magic show, which was a surprise for the people. Next is to inquire or ask for something to be repeated. Interjection like, hey, I didn't get it. I didn't get it. Somebody question, can you repeat it? So here is used to inquire as an interjection or to ask for something to be repeated. Okay, next usage is it is used to call for attention when we try to grab attention of the audience or the students. So we can use interjection there like, hey, look out for the car. Hey, look out for the car, like somebody is going to be hit by a car. So you want to save that guy, so you can just catch his attention or put his attention towards something really important. So we say, hey, look out for the car. Hey, look at here. So here, hey is an interjection. It is used to call for attention. We also use interjections to express joy, happiness, pleasure. Like for example, say, hooray, we finally cleared the test. So our happiness is shown with an interjection, hooray, and we show happiness regarding clearing the test. So these are some of the purposes of interjection. The next purpose of interjection is to express pain. Interjections are also used to express pain. When we are feeling pain about something from something, so we express it through interjections like, ouch, you step on my toes. So it means you put me or you give me pain. So we just express that pain through ouch, which is an interjection. And this ouch is as a reaction to stepping on my foot. Like something or an action gives me pain. So I just express it. I say ouch, you just stepped on my toes. So we can express pain through interjections. Next, to express relief or exhaustion, like when you just get tired, or when you just complete a complex task or one of hard tasks, and you get free from that task, from a project, so you just show a sign of relief. For example, you say that, phew, that was an extremely long presentation. Now that was a task to you. So in order to express relief from that task, you just say phew, like it's an interjection. Phew is an interjection, and it is used to express relief. Next, to express hesitation. When you are hesitant to do something, so you just show hesitation through interjection like, oh, I don't think I want to be a part of this. Now we can just express interjection to show our hesitance from doing something like, oh, I don't think I want to be a part of this. So oh is used to express hesitation. Next, to express admiration for something. When you try to admire something, a good work, you try to use good words for someone's actions, or for through a statement you just admire someone. So you can use interjection to express admiration about someone's actions. Like, wow, your new bike is amazing. Wow, your new bike is amazing. So wow, it's an interjection. It is used to show admiration. Like you just try to use some good words about someone's new bike. So we show admiration through interjection. Wow. Lastly, interjection is used to introduce a remark. Interjection or remark introduce where you try to comment on somebody. Like open to mention to, so we can show a remark or start a remark or introduce a comment to an interjection like, well, what you just did was wonderful. It means this well is an interjection. It gives or it sparks a remark about someone's action. Like whatever you did was wonderful, remarkable, amazing. So these are all the purposes of interjections. Viewers, hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. Wish you all the best and stay tuned for further videos.